Hey y'all, let's go through how to make Google Classroom a little bit more private for those of you that are using this with students with IEPs. So up in this right here is our class settings. So if I go through and set in the stream that only the teachers can post their comment, that way you're not having students asking questions that others can see that might be specific to their IEPs or, private information. So that's one that you would definitely want to have checked and set up so that we keep it a little bit more private. They will be able to see, like in people, the information because there's not a special setting for that. So they'll still get to see the people that are there, but really that's okay. The one in here that you need to be aware of is just that anything that's in the classwork except for quiz question or quiz assignment, no, not even that one, question, except for question, everything else is very specific to the student. So when I post an assignment and I add in something for them to interact with, such as, where's the one that I like to use? This one. So when I go to add this assignment, I can make it so that each student gets a copy, and then that is going to be specific just for them. They're not going to see anything else that any of the other students see. When they submit something, they're only going to see their part of it. They are not going to see anything else. They won't see grades. They won't see answers, nothing. If students go through and add a class comment, that would be to the class, but if I turn that off, then they don't have that ability. So that is something that keeps it a lot more private. And yeah, I mean, they're really only going to see what they have access to. So all of these things that are materials, they're going to be able to see. But anything that is specific to them, they're going to be the only ones that can see that. So really, Google Classroom keeps their information very private. So you're not really going to be, spending a whole lot of time trying to keep students from each other's information. Let me know if you have any questions on this. But anything else, I mean, it's all pretty private. The grades that they see are just theirs. And I'll be able to see everybody's, but the students won't. So keeping it very, very private for our students. Any other questions, let me know.